Hello students, in our last video we discussed nanocatalysts definition, its types and its applications, and now we will discuss some organic reactions carried out by nanocatalyst. Many metal oxides are used as nanocatalysts in our organic synthesis. Okay students, metals and their oxides dominate the vast panorama of heterogeneous catalysis. Metal oxides generally exhibit both electron transfer and surface polarizing properties, which are of direct relevance in redox as well as acid-base catalytic reactions. The surface acid-base properties of oxides have been taken advantage in carrying out selective organic transformations. Thus, students, we use metal oxides in our organic synthesis as a catalytic reactions. Many metal oxides are useful supports for precious metals. The traditional role of a support is to finally disperse the stabilize the active metal particles by inhibiting their agglomeration during high temperature catalytic applications. Students, we are taking ZrO2 in our example in some organic synthesis reactions. ZrO2, zirconium oxide. Zirconium oxide in our first reaction, synthesis of substituted coumarin. In substituted coumarin, we are taking substitute phenol and react with ethyl 3-oxobutanate and with in the presence of catalyst zirconium oxide, sulfated zirconium oxide, heating via thermal and microwave, and we product substitute coumarin. This is the reaction, first reaction with catalytic zirconium oxide. Next is Knoevenagel synthesis. In Knoevenagel synthesis, a mixture of orthophenyl andamine and orthophenyl diamine of benzene 1,2-diamine react with benzaldehyde in the presence of ethanol, temperature 50 degrees centigrade, and sulfated zirconium oxide we are taking as a nanocatalyst and prepared to benzyimidazole. Okay students, this is the Knoevenagel synthesis. We already studied in previous classes this type of this synthesis, and but now we carried out by synthesis by zirconium oxide. Now next, synthesis of pyrrole derivatives. In pyrrole derivative, hexane 2,4-dione reacts with aniline in the presence of alcohol, sulfated ZrO2 and product 2,5-dimethyl 1-phenyl hydropyrrole. 2,4-diketone and aniline as an aromatic amines were thoroughly mixed in ethanol. Then catalyst was added. Okay students, the mixture was stirred at room temperature for the appropriate time. After completing of the reaction, ethanol was added and the catalyst was removed by filtration. Evaporation of the solvent under reduced pressure give the products. Next example of nanocatalyst synthesis, cyclodehydration synthesis. In cyclodehydration synthesis, we taking butane 1,4-diol in the presence of sulfated zirconia, microdistillation at 130 degrees centigrade, and we take achieved tetrahydrofuran. Okay students, now let's start our new topic, organocatalysis. In organic chemistry, the term organocatalysts refers to a form of catalysis whereby the rate of a chemical reaction is increased by an organic catalyst, referred to as an organic catalyst, consisting of a carbon, hydrogen, sulfur and other known metals found in organic compounds. Students, those all catalysts which formed by organic molecules with hydrogen, sulfur and other known metals called organic catalyst. Now we are looking at classification of organic catalysts. First, biomolecules as proline, phenyl, aniline, secondary amines, etc. Synthetic catalysts derived from biomolecules. Hydrogen bonding catalysts, organocatalysts based on thioureas. Students, the examples of asymmetric reactions carried out by organocatalysts are Diels-Alder reactions, Michael reactions, Shy epoxidations, organocatalytic transfer, hydrogenation. Now we are taking proline catalyst reaction. What is proline? This is aldol condensed reaction. We taking acetone and aldehyde in the presence of 30 mole percent proline, DMSO acetone, and give aldol derivative 97% yield. Now we discussed what is proline. Proline is the organocatalyst. This is proline. Proline is amino acid. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोलीन इज अमीनो एसिड एंड यूज्ड इन बायोसिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रोलीन. एंड इन फर्स्ट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑर्गेनोकैटलिस्ट इज कैरिड आउट इन aldol reaction. Acetone, aldehyde, 30% more proline, DMS or acetone, 25 degrees centigrade temperature is taken, and yield is obtained 97%. Students, tomorrow we will discuss these reactions which is carried out by organocatalysts. Okay students, thank you students.